Go back to that word best that people will put on a search term. And so it could be pick a category, any category, you know, best vacation site. Okay, that's a target audience. I know what they're looking for. Now imagine the same set of search terms, only now people are searching for cheap vacation site.
Right. Yep.
Is
Mhm.
that the same audience?
Right.
Or am I going to put the same content on that page?
Mhm.
So we sometimes suffer from what I call mass marketing. We all somehow or other still learn that somewhere in school and need to unlearn it because we don't live in a mass market anymore.
No.
We live in a highly segmented market. Some would say a highly fragmented market, but I tend to see fragments as segments. But okay, whatever. But
Mhm.
the bottom line is, once you understand that different people are searching different ways, that means you need to craft different content for each of those segments.